Hello, and welcome to the Scott County Public Library Make It program. My name is Paula and today I'm going to show you how to make a couple of Christmas decorations. The first thing we're going to make is this cute little Gumball Machine ornament. So let me give you a list of supplies that you're going to need to make that. You're going to need a little clay pot. This is 1.625 inches. You're going to need red paint. I prefer the glossy because it's shiny. You're going to need a pull tab off of a soda can. You're going to need a clear Christmas ornament. This one is 2.65 inches. You're going to need sprinkles. You're going to need a marker. And you're going to need some epoxy or pretty good glue to put it all together. So now that you have your list of supplies, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a little clay pot and you're going to paint it red. Now I use the glossy paint because I like the shine of it, but you can use whatever kind of red paint you want. Once your paint dries, it's going to look like this, and you want to make sure that you paint the bottom. Next, you're going to take your epoxy and you're going to put a dab on your pull tab, just enough to make it stick to your pot, and you're going to glue it on. It's going to look something like this. Now when that dries, you can go back and put the loose glue off. Next, you're going to take your epoxy and you're going to dab some on the top of your pot. Once you do that, you can take your bowl and you can stick it on top there. Now I didn't let this dry before I did this. You can if you want to. Carefully pull the top off. And you're going to take your funnel, stick it down in there, and you're going to take your sprinkles, and you're just going to start filling up your ornament. And you can fill it however full you want to fill it. But just remember that if you're going to hang this on a Christmas tree, that is going to be some added weight. And that's enough for that. So then you'll take your funnel out, carefully take the top back to your ornament, slide it down in there, then you're going to take a black marker on the bottom lip of that pull tab and you're going to color it in black. Now lastly, you're going to take some ribbon, whichever color you choose. I like red. You're going to tie it onto your ornament, however you're going to do it. And now you have a little ornament that is ready to go on the tree. So for the second Christmas decoration, we're going to make a candy cane wreath. And your finished product is going to look something like this. For this size wreath, you're going to use the standard size candy cane. Like this. If you want to make a mini wreath small enough to fit on your Christmas tree, then you're going to want to use the mini candy cane. And you're going to need 20 of those. You're also going to need some good epoxy, so I'm using the same epoxy that I used on the Gumball Machine. You're also going to want to get ribbons or different fun foam shapes, glitter, whatever you choose to embellish your standard size wreath once you get it made. So, let's get started. Okay, so once you have your candy canes, you're ready to start gluing them together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your epoxy and you're going to put glue on the tips of each of the candy canes. And you're going to form them together and it's going to give you a heart shape. Now once you've done all your candy canes like that, you're going to have 10 sets. You're going to take your heart and you're going to run a layer of glue down the side, the straight edge, and you are going to glue all your straight edges together, and your end result is going to be like this. Then after you get that done, you're ready to decorate or embellish it. Now I showed you how I did mine, and this was just things I had left over from crafts I've done previously. So I want to thank you for joining me today. Look for more upcoming events on our Scott County webpage and also on our Scott County Public Library Facebook page.